Welcome back to Central New York's open house. Well, we're here at a home in Rome where these folks have decided to replace some more windows. They took advantage of the buy two, get one free sale. Also, they did the same thing at the last time we had the sale. We were out here at this home and we replaced a few of the windows downstairs, and then upstairs we replaced a double set of double hungs. These two windows are mulled together. The benefit of having those two windows permanently attached to each other at the factory is simple. It cuts down on drafts and it saves you more energy. Now, they used to install windows in a little bit different fashion. They used to take two separate windows, bring them to the home, they used to push them together and then put a piece of vinyl and kind of snap them together. At New York Sash, this isn't a technique that we like to utilize because it will be drafty. So mulling together those windows, having them attached at the factory really is the best option. Now today, we're back here installing more windows. Our customer has decided to take advantage of the biggest sale that we offer all year. It's buy two, get one free. So they're installing 3 more windows. If you buy 2, you get 1 free. If you buy 4, you get 2 free. If you buy 6, you get 3 free. So if you're considering new windows for your home, you want to start saving those energy dollars and put them back into your pocket, call New York Sash or stop down to the showroom, take a look around. We have all of the windows on display. You can see exactly what they will look like once they're installed in your home.